Our cleaning solution is specially formulated to clean the silicone pads without breaking down the adhesive. One of the real beauties of our silicone pads is that they are reusable, making them really affordable. You'll get around 20 to 30 uses out of each silicone pad, depending on skin type and how you care for them. It's essential you apply the silicone pads to clean, dry skin, with no moisturisers or skincare, or it will break down the adhesive and affect how many uses you can get out of them. Sometimes there may still be traces of skincare on the skin, or you may even peel off some dead skin cells or catch the pads on your clothing or hair, or even attract dust particles. This is when you should clean the pads with our cleaning solution. It's super quick and easy. Under lukewarm running water, use 2 pumps of the cleaning solution and massage it into the adhesive side of the pad. Rinse the cleaning solution off the pad. Then leave it face up to dry on the storage sheet included in your pack. Once it's dry, you will feel the sticky adhesive has more life in it. Then simply stick it face down on the storage sheet, ready for your next use. Now you've prolonged the life of your silicone pads and you can say schminkles to your wrinkles easily and affordably.